Hello friends, my name is Manish and you are watching Chuck's IELTS study. Here we are written with. Before starts today's cue card, I will request you to subscribe our channel. Now we are talking about today's cue card and the question is describe something you bought that was difficult to use at first. And the question related to this cue card is what is it? And the simple answer may like this. Well, these days we often buy latest technological gadgets and sometimes it takes a little time to get familiar with how they work. Something similar happened to me when I received my first iPhone. Actually, it was my long time wish or a dream to have a mobile phone of Apple brand, and finally it got fulfilled when on my and I was desperate and eager to use it since I have been using Android phones all the time, and when I tried to use the Apple phone I faced lots of difficulties. I could not even make an ID on this phone. Because of that I was not able to use it properly. I was not able to download any application at the same time. This mobile was having an additional artifact. Even though I had not purchased this mobile from India, still the customer care executive was really polite and helpful, and he patiently guided me and introduced different features of this mobile phone. He even told me that there is a user manual that I can follow for more details. Now it was comfortably using this mobile, but still. So I connected him and shared my problem, and he is sorted out my problems in fraction of minutes. And now I regularly use this mobile phone and make use of its different features. So guys, here we ended with today's cue card. For follow-up question, you must visit our website www. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, then press the like button. And if you find it is very useful, then share with your friends and colleagues. And do not forget to